Airlie Gardens is a beautiful, historic, quintessential Southern garden. I'm Janine Powell. I work for New Hanover County Parks and Gardens Department, and I am the Director of Donor Relations. So the gardens are really something that you can do year-round. The look and feel were really established in the late 1800s, early 1900s. We always have something beautiful to see. Less than half a mile from here, and you see our sister county department, the New Hanover County Arboretum. 7 acres of beautiful demonstration gardens, a koi pond, a Japanese tranquility garden. It's free and open 7 days a week.
My name is Chris Helms. I'm the Park Superintendent at Carolina Beach State Park. Here at Carolina Beach State Park, we have about 9 miles of trails, a diversity of areas from areas that go along the water here, nice views of the Cape Fear River. We have areas that go inland in the park through the longleaf pine and wiregrass habitats. We even have a fitness trail now that we've developed.
I've been a kayak guide over half my life. I got in a kayak many moons ago, and I've been in one ever since. I'm Angela Marshall, and I'm the founder and lead kayak guide for Kayak Carolina. We go over to Zeke's Island primarily. That's our favorite place to go. There's tidal pools over there. We get our nets and buckets and our crabbing gear out with the kids. There's a little nature trail that we hike to. There's a beach.
Captain Joe Abadi, I'm the owner and operator of Wrightsville Beach Scenic Tours. Wrightsville Beach is the island that was steeped in recreation as early as 1853. So by coming on my boat, you kind of will have the opportunity to step back in history and see some of these historic landmarks, as well as enter into these water wilderness areas that you can't get to by car and you have to use a boat. The mission of Wrightsville Beach Scenic Tours is to really provide people with a look at our ecosystem a little closer. All our boat trips tend to have a narrative that stems from ecology and also into some history. We also provide people with the opportunity to use the boats to get to Masonboro Island, the largest marine sanctuary in the Cape Fear.
If you're going to be in Wilmington, there's so much to see, especially the historic homes like the Burgwin Wright home. It's a great way to take a tour and really step back in time. Greenfield Lake is another gem. It is a beautiful lake with gorgeous bald cypress. They have great walking trails, paddle boats to rent, and just a wonderful place. You should visit Wilmington because there's so much to do. In just a short drive, you can be from the coast to the river with a historic downtown and everything in between, including great shopping and lots of great attractions.